Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia here. In today's video, we're gonna do another hairstyle. So today we're gonna learn how to do easiest waterfall braid. So let's get started. To start the hairstyle with, we're gonna first comb our hair and apply hair serum. Then take section from the top and split it into two halves or two sections. And cross one section over the other. We're going to hold the two sections with one hand and take section from the back and add it to the middle of the two sections. Then put the front section over the middle section and twist it. Again, I'm showing you. You're going to hold the two sections with one hand. Take section from the back. Put it in the middle of the two sections. And put the front section over the middle section. And then twist both sections. You're going to tighten up the hair a little bit so it creates the effect. You're going to hold the two sections with one hand, take section from the back, put it in the middle, and put the front section over the middle section and twist it. This is the easiest hairstyle of waterfall braid and the easiest method that I'm showing to you. I hope that you will be able to do this on your own hair. When you're done with the hairstyle, you're going to simply twist the remaining braid or remaining hair and clasp it with a bobby pin or a tic-tac pin. And that's it. You can see the final result, how beautiful it has come out. Thanks for watching.